This is part number 823492. This is the original blue tip diaphragm. This will fit your Wascomat, Huebsch, Speed Queen, Unimac, Continental valves that are made by Elbi. All these manufacturers mainly use Elbi as their water valve company. Now here's a little 360 of the part. When we sell it on our website, we sell it under the Wascomat number, which is right here, 823492. Here's the back side. I did want to go over that they do make generics out there that do not last as long. We have tested these in stores that have lasted for several years rather than the generic one, which I'm going to show you right now. This is the generic one right here. The main difference you can see is when you're buying these is the shade of blue that is right here versus the generic. So that's the first thing you can tell. On the generic, sometimes there will be pretty clean like you see it here, and the elasticity of it is very cheap. So it pushes in really well rather than the original. When you push it down, it has more durability, as you can tell. Also, if you can see, another way to tell original versus generic is the generic is going to be a little taller on the right side. As you can see, it has a little bit of a lip here. So we do not recommend these generic ones. We usually go with the original, so you don't have to have a serviceman come out and constantly replace these, or if you're doing it, waste a lot of your time. It does cost a little bit extra, but you would find it a lot more valuable in the long run.